Guys, today is a crazy, crazy good day. This is an amazing day. I am so stoked and I am like floored that this is happening because I didn't think that somebody could be like this generous, you know? So here's the thing. I just finished that Dream Shoe giveaway for the month of April and we picked a winner and the guy's name was David Kang. In that giveaway, I was giving away a $500 pair of Dream sneakers to the winner and David selected the Jordan 3 black cements in a size 10. Here's where it gets good. It gets really good. And David's Instagram was private, so I tried to add him before I could message him because I don't think you can message somebody unless you're friends with them. And then I ended up looking through my DMs randomly and saw that he actually messaged me. I don't know why he didn't add me. I guess I'm not cool enough to be his friend, but that's cool. That's okay. It's fine. But anyway, yeah, so I saw his message and he had this to say. DKing820 on Instagram says, "Hey Bryson, this is David. I won your YouTube April show giveaway. Thanks for hosting it and giving me an opportunity to win the shoes. From my YouTube comment, I was super stoked to have won the shoes. I've always wanted them, but with the family, couldn't see myself dropping money on them. But I thought about it and the shoe is something that I want and don't need. There are a lot of people in need right now with this pandemic going on, so I was wondering, if possible, if you can use that money that you would have spent on the shoes to give to a local food pantry in Hawaii. I'm sure they could use all the help with so many people unemployed. I'll get the shoes one day, so all good. Please let me know your thoughts about it. Thank you again for giving me the opportunity to win, and I'll continue to support you through your YouTube channel. Blessings." So this guy just won his dream pair of sneakers. And like he said, he has a family and stuff, so it's not something he would spend money on. So it's not like he's very, very well off, you know? He's not like uberly rich. He just wanted a pair of shoes and he won and he had the shoes in hand. But before I could even reach out to him, he comes back and reaches out to me and says, "Hey man, thank you for letting me win, but I want to give back. There's a crisis going on, there's a pandemic going on, people are starving, people are getting like evicted from their homes and people are losing their jobs. And I just feel like I'd rather give that money that would have been spent on the shoe to somebody in need," which is completely selfless, guys. That is the definition of positivity and just the kind of like thing that we embody on this channel, you know? Like I've always talked about it. We are the Untied Ohana. We are Untied family. It's so like refreshing, I guess, to see just people like with good-hearted nature, you know? Like there were so many people in the comments like begging, like, "I want this shoe so bad, bro. Like please, like this. But this guy, he just simply like didn't even want the shoes after he got them. He thought about it and he wanted to give back instead. And that's just crazy to me. Like that's amazing. So I tweeted it out, you know, and I was like letting people know like this is awesome. Like the Untied Ohana is undefeated, guys. Like it's just so much craziness and you guys can see how excited I am because it's literally just happened right now. And the story gets even better because what happened was I tweeted it out letting people know like, "Hey, this is what happened in the Dream Shoe giveaway." This guy David was like, "I don't even want the shoes. I just want to give back to like the people in Hawaii." And he's not even from Hawaii, dude. This guy lives out in Michigan. And he's like, "I just want to give back because, you know, help out the Ohana, help out the family in Hawaii." So I tweeted it out and then immediately after, like not even like a couple minutes later, Harrison Neville, you guys know Harrison Neville. If you guys don't, you guys should. He's a huge YouTuber, probably the biggest YouTuber right now in like the sneaker / like hypebeast community, and just a really all-around good guy. Harrison's great. I really love Harrison. He actually responded immediately, like I said, no hesitation, and he's like, "What shoes were they? Maybe I can shoot him some sort of pair anyway for being selfless." Boom. Harrison. Good guy comes through, man. I didn't ask him to do that. I didn't ask him to like jump in and chime in, but immediately without hesitation and for no promotion on his own, he just wanted to help out. And that is something that I can't like, I don't even know how to like describe, you know, like there's something just so beautiful about the sneaker community, guys. Like even the hypebeast community. I know a lot of people hate on hypebeast stuff and I know a lot of people hate on like sneakerhead stuff and sneakers in general. They think that we're only in it for like, you know, clout and stuff, but there's so much people in here that have like really tremendously good hearts and just good natures, and I just really want to exemplify that to people. You know, like this is not a community made up of a bunch of sleazy guys trying to make a quick buck. This is a community made up of people that have like caring interests and they really care about other people and they care about the people that are watching their videos. Like Harrison's a huge YouTuber, guys. He has like over 1 million subs and he's blowing up, views all over the place, crazy stuff. And he took the time, you know, just look at the tweet and be like, "How can I help out?" No hesitation. It's beautiful. So not only David coming through with the just ridiculously good gesture, but Harrison also following up with an even greater gesture. This is just getting better and better, man. Like right before I was about to finish the video too, I got a message in my inbox, my DMs on Twitter. His name is Christian Villanueva and he runs the channel Frugal Aesthetic. You guys have seen him probably on a mystery box over here before, or maybe you just seen his channel. Really funny guy, great guy. Christian reaches out and he says, "Hey man, how much were the shoes? I'll match your donation to a relief fund in NYC." This is something you guys can't make up, man. Like, this is such an amazing day. Like, I love Christian, man. Like, I can't even speak. I can't even speak. Like, I love Christian, man. He's a really good guy. We did a pop-up event and stuff together, and this is just great. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I just can't believe people are really, like, just reaching out and showing all of this love. Like, nobody's doing it for promotion. I mean, Christian messaged me in my DMs. He didn't even want to tweet it out. He didn't want people to know, but the thing is like, I want people to see this about people. There's a weird stigma that YouTubers are only in it for the bag. You know, they only care about money. They don't care about their subscribers. They don't care about the people behind the camera. They're just in it for the cash. But there are genuinely good people on this platform. Like Christian, you know, he's probably gonna get mad. He's gonna be like, dude, why'd you put me in the video? I didn't want people to know about this, you know? He was probably just gonna do it on his own and just from the nature of his heart, you know, just do his own thing. But I need people to see this. I need people to know that this stigma of people like, you know, in it for themselves and stuff is not a thing. Maybe it's a thing for some people, but in this particular community, like I said, hypebeast / sneakers / I don't know what else we are, fashion, I guess. People are good out here, guys. Like every creator I've ever met, Kais, Harrison, Seth, Hess Kicks, Christian, Starlife, like every single person I've met is literally a good person. Like they're good people. And I'm just really like happy to be a part of this thing. You know, and you guys made me a part of this thing by like watching the videos and like letting me be a part of this world, and it's just so good to see like on the other side of it, like the things you guys don't see, like the positivity where we're texting each other back, you know, me and the other YouTubers and stuff, and you know, commenting like, hey man, how you been, like just checking in to see how life is, hope you guys are healthy, hope your family's doing good. Like I guess I'll just take the time to say it, man, like if people are dropping negativity on the people in this community, I'm gonna be very upset. Like you guys don't know what they're like behind the camera, and dude, I'm getting teary because just stuff like this, man. Like this is the kind of beautiful stuff that creators are doing. And sometimes there may be clickbaity videos, maybe there's like some weird stuff going on. We're not perfect all the time, but the guys creating these videos are like genuinely good guys. So to let you guys know, basically here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna follow what David said, and we're gonna actually donate $500, the whole $500 to the Hawaii Food Bank. That's a local food bank that helps people in need out here in Hawaii that is suffering from not only COVID-19, but also homelessness and things of that nature. So we're gonna give to them. On top of that, me and Harrison are also gonna get this guy his dream pair of sneakers still. So I'm not only gonna donate like David asked, but because of his good nature and because we wanna show people like, this is how it's meant to be, me and Harrison are gonna give this guy his shoe as well. So we're gonna be doing both. Very cool, man. Like I'm just so excited. Like this is the kind of stuff I make videos for. This is the kind of reasons why I'm so positive in the videos and why I'm trying to like teach you guys how to like, I don't know, just be better people, you know? Like if I was in David's position, I really wonder like if I didn't have the channel and whatnot, would I be able to turn down like a free pair of shoes? Like I don't know if I could do that. But this guy just instantly, he reached out and he wanted to get to me before I got to him because he didn't want me to buy the shoes. He's like, no, hold your stuff, please. I just want to give back. So, God bless, man. God bless. This is insane. It's crazy. I'm super excited and super happy. And I'm just happy that we can not only give back to the sneaker community, but David allowed me to give back to the Hawaii community as well. And Harrison as well. Can't forget Harrison, man. Like, I'm not made out of money, and Harrison's not made out of money either. And it certainly would have been expensive for me to like buy the shoes and also do the donation. So I'm just really like grateful that he reached out and he wanted to like help, you know, contribute. So I didn't need to break the bank out of my own pocket to pay for this kind of stuff. So I just overwhelmingly, man, I'm just in a really great mood. Like I'm so happy right now. Like this is so cool. Anyway, I'm sorry for rambling, guys. I just really wanted to like, I guess not only like talk about the situation, but kind of just share my enjoyment with you guys. Like this is something that I'm really happy about. This is the reason why I give these dream shoe giveaways, because I want to make people feel like this, like how I feel, where even though I didn't win anything, I feel like a winner because everyone's winning. Everyone's winning. The community was so great. Like even in the comments, people were saying like they wanted to start GoFundMes because they didn't want me to pay for the shoes. They're like, how can we bless these people? How can we bless David for being a good guy? And people were literally like commenting saying, how can we start a GoFundMe so everybody can contribute like $1 so that way we can buy his dream shoe? And I was just overtaken, man, like overtaken with joy. Like I love this so much. You guys have just literally relit a spark in me for passion in this community, in this YouTube thing, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. So thank you to David, thank you to Harrison, thank you for everybody showing positive vibes in the comments, liking the videos, liking the post, sharing the post. Just thank you. That's it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that, and there's gonna be another dream shoe giveaway next month. Until then though, as always guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots.